Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, check your iPhone 7 model and update iOS if possible, because software determines available features. Once done, open the camera app and pick photo mode. Portrait mode is not a separate app on iPhone 7. Make sure the rear lens is clean and that you stand 2 to 8 feet from your subject. Good lighting and a simple background help the camera detect depth. That's why preparation here speeds up success. Now focus on the core. Switch to portrait if your phone shows it. If iOS lacks portrait, use the depth effect in editing after capture. Once portrait is active, swipe through lighting effects like natural light or studio light to see changes immediately. You should hold the phone steady and tap the subject to lock focus and exposure. This reduces blur and helps the software map depth. If the camera warns you about distance, adjust slightly and try again. Small moves make a big difference. Finish by reviewing the image in Photos and tapping Edit to refine depth or lighting. You can adjust intensity on supported iOS versions. Once satisfied, save as a new copy and export at the highest resolution for sharing or printing. If you hit problems, like no portrait option or inconsistent blur, try restarting the camera app, toggling live photos off and on, or resetting camera settings. These steps often restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.